Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply exit a big picture in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's just go to big picture mode. And I can see it right here. So you go to the right top corner, you click on it, and you're gonna see right here the power mode and exit big picture. Or you can minimize it. So exit, and I'm right back. And when I'm going to do it again, I can go again here and exit, or you can exit the Steam or logout user. It's really up to you. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you're going to have a great day, and write me down below in the description what is your favorite Steam game. That's what I'm interested at. So yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.